This video shows how to replace an M.2 SSD on a witness server sled from a PowerEdge XR4000 series system. Before removing the M.2 SSD, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove an M.2 SSD, slide the blue clip to release the SSD, then lift and remove the SSD from the socket. To install the M.2 SSD, align and insert the SSD into the socket on the board. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.